In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book appointments on LinkedIn with Calendly. 5 minutes. If you want people on LinkedIn to easily grab time on your calendar without the back and forth, adding your Calendly link to your profile is the fastest way to do it. We'll start in Calendly, copy the right booking link, then place it in your LinkedIn contact details, so it's always one click away. First, log in to your Calendly account. Once you're in, head to your scheduling or event types area. You'll see your available meeting types like a 15-minute intro call or a 30-minute consultation. Pick the meeting or booking page you want visitors to use. A quick tip: choose the option that matches your most common conversation to reduce friction and make sure its availability and time zone settings are already correct, so people only book when you're actually free. Next, open that meeting type and click Copy Link. This puts your unique booking URL on your clipboard. If you haven't customized it yet, consider giving the event a clear name and description inside Calendly so your visitors immediately know what to expect when they land on the page. Now switch over to LinkedIn. Go to your profile by clicking your profile avatar or name, then choose View Profile to open your public page. At the top of your profile, click the pencil icon to edit your intro section. In the Edit window, look for Contact Info and click Edit Contact Info. This is where visitors often look for ways to reach you, so placing your Calendly here keeps it both professional and easy to find. Choose Add Website. In the website field, paste the Calendly link you copied. If LinkedIn asks for a label or type, pick the option that lets you add a custom label and name it something clear, like Book a Meeting, so it stands out. This small touch increases clicks because people immediately understand what the link does. Finally, click Save. Return to your profile and open your contact info to confirm the link is visible and clickable. Test it yourself to make sure it opens your Calendly page and that the booking flow looks good on both desktop and mobile. If the link doesn't appear, double check that you added it under contact info as a website and saved your changes. And remember, you can use the same Calendly link in your LinkedIn messages and posts to streamline scheduling anywhere you engage. That's it. Your LinkedIn is now set up to book appointments with Calendly in just a few clicks.